Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, my name is Ruth, and if you're returning, thank you so much for your support. Okay, so we're shooting yet another vlog. Today is a Saturday. We are going for, I think, brunch or lunch. We decided to go to Grandpa, and by me, I mean me, Riley, and her grandmother. So yeah, we just wanted to get out the house, just to relax. And obviously the Grandpa has like a pool. It's kids friendly, so yeah, that's where we're gonna go. So I'm gonna take you guys with me, and then we'll see how the day goes. Okay, yeah, thank you so much, you guys, for your support. If you haven't subscribed, please do click the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. We need to get to 1K before December, guys, this year. Seriously, like, we've been dragging. So please get me to 1K in 2021. That'll be the biggest gift ever to me. So yeah, let's go. Let me not waste any time.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain. The sorrows in your brain.
The entire world must know.
You look like a royal cassava.
You are looking like a tantalicious new biscuit.
What are you drinking?
What is your father feeding you?
I want to buy your mama soy.
You want a milkshake?
Yeah.
Are you gonna eat food though?
Yeah, I'm pretty hungry.
You're so hungry. Yeah. Cheers. Hey guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. So I think I left you guys yesterday. Yeah, we had fun, man. We chilled and everything. It was so refreshing to be outside by the water, you know, having good food, nice drinks and everything. So yeah, this morning I went to church with my cousin. I didn't vlog that. We passed by the mall, just still didn't vlog that. We got some ice cream. I think I vlogged that. I think I vlogged our ice cream date. We actually wanted to get like crushes, but KFC didn't have crushes, and we just settled for the ice cream. So yeah, it is my fave anyway. So yeah, I was looking forward to that. So today I just wanted to do like a self-care Sunday type of thing. So yeah, I just thought let me include this in the vlog. I'm just gonna quickly wash my face and neck, and then I'm just gonna try I have this, I don't know if it's like a pimple popper or whatever, so I'm just gonna try use that on my face. I'm gonna steam, I'm gonna scrub, mask my face and everything. So yeah, you guys will see all of that. I hope you are enjoying the vlog so far. So yeah, let's do this. Hi guys, today is another day in the vlog. It's Tuesday today. It's very early in the morning. I think it's around 10 to 8, and yeah, I just thought let me talk to you guys, show you guys a bit of my very busy day, because I have a platter to do and 2 nail clients today. So yeah, I got confirmation very late yesterday about the platter and what they want in it. So that means I didn't have time to buy like some of the stuff yesterday. So I'm only doing it now. I'm actually with my cousin. We are by Safari and we're waiting for them to open because we need to get some things in here. I thought they open at 7:30, but I think it's 8. I hope it's 8 because otherwise it's gonna mess up our time and everything. From here we're gonna have to go Woolies as well as Pick and Pay. I think they open early as well, I hope. So yeah, I just thought let me shoot this intro for you guys and see how the day goes. My cousin doesn't want to be on camera today. I don't know why. But she don't have to be perfect to be on camera. Anyways, we will see you guys as the day progresses. And yeah, I look cute, don't I?
You do.
Thanks. I look very cute and simple. I'm wearing this t-shirt from Christian Diva. It says Speak Life. It's supposed to be a white t-shirt, but life. So yeah, I think they're about to open. Bye guys, we'll see you. I'm still waiting for Woolworth to open. Imagine.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.
Woo! Hi guys. Welcome to Mommy's channel.
Hi doll. Hey guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. I left you guys yesterday. I just abandoned you guys yesterday. I was so tired. Guess what? So I think we finished the platter around 1:10 ne? They wanted it at 2. So yeah, 1:10 we were done. Around 1:45, another call came in. Somebody wanted a platter. So guess what this girl did? I rested a bit, left to go get the ingredients again. But thank God this time I doubled everything. So yeah, I can't keep doing this thing, okay? Also, what did I do? So yeah, I just bathed now. I'm gonna start cooking, you know, getting everything ready. This client wants the platter at 12:30. So I think I'll be done by like 11:30. So yeah, I also got myself Barbara's favorite drink there. I'm gonna taste it later. I will tell you guys how I feel about it, but I want to believe it's very nice. Also, I changed my screen protector, so I think I look really good in my front camera, okay? Anyway, let's go cook before I waste any more time.
Cause I know you're on the run. I'll take the pleasure and the pain, your secrets to my grave. Cause you are the only one. Cause you are the only one. The only one. Cause you are the only one.
a minute. It's nice. Hi guys. I had such a productive day. I managed to deliver the platter on time, before time, and then I also had a client who was doing her nails after lunch. So yeah, I managed everything. Today was a success. I'm still tired, but it's okay. It's business. It's what I paid for. So yeah, I just wanted to close the vlog. I know it might be a little bit short. I wanted us to make cinnamon rolls in this vlog, but as you can see, I've been busy. But yeah, I will find time and maybe we'll do that in my next vlog, hopefully. So yeah, before we close, I wanted to show you guys the sandals that I was talking about in my last vlog. These are the sandals. These are the ones that I wore on Saturday when we went out. So yeah, these are the sandals. I love them. Yeah, I did get them from Foschini. They were 175. Yeah, so I really love these. They're so cute. So yeah, thank you so much you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you will stay. If you're new, I hope you will subscribe, join the family. It's absolutely free. I really hope that you guys will subscribe. Like this video if you did enjoy it, and yeah, please leave me a comment in the comment section. Share this video if you can, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. And happy independence. Happy independence. Can you guys believe I can days? I mean, I would have won one for you guys today, but I don't have one. So yeah, happy independence.